Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. And to get started, you'll want to navigate into your settings. From here, scroll down to Storage, tap on your SD card, then you want to tap on it 3 dots and select Storage Settings, where you'll find Format option. Once you click on it, it tells you that formatting your card will remove everything from it, so if there's anything on that card that you like to keep, do make a backup copy of it beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done so, you simply don't want to, click on Erase and Format. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple minutes, or not minutes but seconds. And there we go, it's finished. So click on Done and well, you're done. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.